Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix quick share on your Samsung Galaxy A17. To fix quick share, first of all, ensure that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and location are on for both devices. For the Samsung to enable them, slide down from the right top part of the screen and then find Wi-Fi, make sure it's enabled, Bluetooth, make sure it's enabled, and location. You can see in my case, all of them are enabled. Now also, check quick share settings for visibility. Here is quick share, by the way. Now I have it set to no one, so it won't work. If you enable it, if you click on it, now I can select who can share with me. And for both devices, it should be set to either contacts only. If you have that device in contacts, like the phone number that's registered on that device, if you have it in contacts, then it can be set to contacts only or for everyone. Remember that if you set it for everyone but leave it on only for 10 minutes, then after 10 minutes it'll revert itself back to the previous selection. So make sure that if you're planning on using it for more than 10 minutes to unselect this feature. But later, you may actually want to manually switch back to no one or contacts only, so if you're in public, no one shares like weird stuff with you. Let's go to done. Now, make sure that also both devices are running Android 6.0 or later. Most probably they are, because Android 6.0 is like, I have no idea, like 10 years old already or something, but we can always make sure. If you're sharing with an older device, go to settings and go to about phone, and then you may need to go to software information, and if it says Android 5, in my case it's 15, then it may be too old. Now also it's worth restarting both devices by pressing and holding on power and volume down, then tapping on restart twice. I won't do it because it'll take a bit too much time, but this is how you can do it. And now the last thing is you can actually transfer files to a device that does not support quick share, and sometimes you may want to use it even if the device supports quick share but it doesn't work properly. You can just go to gallery or whatever like place where you want to quick share from. I will quick share this photo. Let's click on the share button and now quick share. And in quick share, you can see I have some devices nearby, right? But I can click on QR code or link, then ask that other person or just use that other device to scan this QR code, and that way I can actually transfer to an iPhone. I just scanned the QR code, so we'll see I can find this file and I can download it. Let's click on download, and now in my downloads it'll be right there. So yeah, it works even on iPhones. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.